4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 37, часть 1, страница 80-81, English Starlight for homework, lesson number 37, part number 1, page number 80-81. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 80, 80. Grammarland. Comparative form. Сравнительная форма. A giraffe is taller than a horse. Сравнительная форма. Жираф выше, чем лошадь. Tall, taller. Fast, faster. Big, bigger. Happy, happier. A cheetah is faster than a lion. Good, better. Bad, worse. Much, many, more. Сравнительная степень прилагательных. Мы используем сравнительную степень для того, чтобы сравнить двух людей или два объекта. Сравнить их можно с помощью структуры прилагательное плюс «er» плюс «than». For example, a cheetah is faster than a lion. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look, read and choose the right word. Посмотри, прочитай и выбери правильное слово. Number 1. The cheetah is faster than the lion. Гепард быстрее, чем лев. Number 2. The elephant is bigger than the hippo. Слон больше, чем бегемот. Number 3. The giraffe is taller than the zebra. Жираф выше, чем зебра. Number 4. The lizard has got a longer tail than the tortoise. У ящерицы хвост длиннее, чем у черепахи. Number 5. The panda is fatter than the monkey. Панда толще, чем обезьяна. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Look, read and complete the sentences. Посмотри, прочитай и закончи предложение. I'm 10, I'm 9. I'm 10, I'm 9. Number 1. Ben is older than Rose. The answer. Бен старше Розы. Number 2. Mark is older than Tina. The answer number 2. Марк старше Тины. Number 3. Tina is younger than Ben and Mark. Number 3. The answer. Тина младше Бена и Марка. Number 4. Tina's hair is longer than Rose's. Number 4. The answer. Волосы Тины длиннее, чем у розы. Number 5. Ben's hair is shorter than Rose's. Number 5. The answer. Волосы Бена короче, чем у розы. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 81. Exercise number 3. Read and complete the sentences. I am taller than my brother. Прочитай и закончи предложение. Number 1. Я выше своего брата. Number 2. Is Superman stronger than Batman? Number 2. The answer. Супермен сильнее Бэтмена. Number 3. My cat is fatter than my dog. Number 3. The answer. Мой кот полнее, чем моя собака. Number 4. My sister is better at maths than me. Number 4. The answer. Моя сестра лучше в математике, чем я. Number 5. The weather in the UK is worse than the weather in Spain. Number 5. The answer. Погода в Соединенном Королевстве хуже погоды в Испании. Number 6. There are more people in Russia than in Greece. Number 6. The answer. В России больше людей, чем в Греции. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and complete. I'm fast. I'm faster than you. Прочитай и закончи. Number 1. Я быстрый. Я быстрее, чем ты. Number 2. I'm taller than you. Я выше тебя. Number 3. I'm slower than you. Я медленнее тебя. Number 4. I'm fatter than you. Я полнее тебя. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Complete say. Write the name of someone who. Mark is better at PE than me. Закончи, скажи. Number 1. The answer. Марк лучше в физкультуре, чем я. Number 2. Света is younger than Sasha. Number 3. I have got longer hair than you. Number 4. Sasha is taller than you. Number 5. Ola has got more money than you. Number 6. Tanya is better at English than you. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Listen and choose yes or no. Then say. Number 1. No, the green panda isn't taller than the pink panda. Послушай и выбери да или нет, затем скажи. Зеленая панда выше розовой панды. Нет. Number 2. The yellow parrot is smaller than the orange parrot. The answer, no. Number 3. The purple tortoise is older than the green tortoise. The answer, yes. Number 4. The blue lizard has got a longer tail than the red lizard. The answer, yes. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.